The presence of contaminants in the CO2 incubator can spoil all your samples. Ensure the safety of your cell culture with the 180 degrees Celsius high heat sterilization cycle. It conforms to the international standards for dry heat sterilization. It is effective in killing inherently resistant fungi, bacterial spores, and vegetative cells. Non-toxic and non-corrosive sterilization that is completed within 12 hours, leaving the chamber cool and dry at the end of the cycle. ESCO CelCulture CO2 incubator with high heat sterilization. Cultivating a culture of safety and efficiency.